Most of us think the diddler is definitely done for. There are a lot of legal experts out there that actually don't think the prosecution has proven their case just yet.
Joining us now is our friend, criminal trial attorney Sarah Azari, who has been following this from the very beginning, and there is a lot to follow, Sarah. Yeah. So let's start with Jane Doe. What's this love contract all about?
Gee, the love contract was really important for the prosecution because they're establishing coercion that goes to the sex trafficking charge. The idea that Diddy was using his power, influence, and threats to get Jane to engage in these hotel nights, these freak-offs, essentially. But then it unraveled on cross-examination because what we found out was that her text messages told a different story. She was around hotel nights and freak-offs even when Diddy was not around. She got to choose the male entertainer that she wanted to be with. She had her favorites. She also, when she didn't feel like having a hotel night, Diddy would comply and say, all right, we'll have a one-on-one date and we'll have a movie night. So this started to look more like a relationship. And remember, Gio, he is still paying her rent. As far as I know, there's no freak-offs in lockup, right? So where is what he's getting under this contract? So that whole thing fell apart. I think she was a very bad witness, actually, for the prosecution.
We were just talking as well about that juror who apparently had some inconsistencies in his statement during jury selection, and now we've learned that he's been dismissed.
Yeah, and that was about his residence, which to me is not that material. And I think the judge sided with the prosecution saying, well, if he's been dishonest about where he lives, then maybe he's been dishonest about other things, which to me is speculative. And by the way, so many people wanted to make the cut on this jury, unlike usual jury selection, that I feel like, okay, well, there might be other jurors with inconsistencies. And if this keeps happening, we could have a mistrial. But, you know, they're going to seat an alternate in his place now.
Okay, what do you expect for next week?
Where is
week 7?
Yeah, where's the prosecution's almost done? They're almost wrapping their case. We don't have a criminal enterprise. We really don't have a conspiracy because think about it, Joe. Proof beyond a reasonable doubt. They are not there yet. What they have him on is prostitution. Sex trafficking and racketeering, no, sir, not yet.
And that's what's so interesting about this case is that you say that when you've looked at what they've presented, they haven't presented something for the racketeering and sex trafficking specifically.
It's the most disjointed prosecution that I can remember seeing in recent times.
Wow. All right. That says something.
And there you have it. We have a legal analyst on ABC News saying this is the most disjointed prosecution she has ever seen. In case you're not knowing what she means that they're not on the same page. They're not drawing a nexus to all these different things. They're showing that, yeah, Diddy was paying for some poontang, right? Yeah, he was paying outrageous amounts for it, by the way, because he's paying Jane Doe's $10,000 a month rent, whether that be Daphne Joy or Chelsea Loveless. I'm still leaning more towards Chelsea Loveless, but there are more things starting to come out that I'm thinking is Daphne Joy. Ugh. Anyways, we talking about just a little recap. The legal analysts think Jane Doe's testimony was bad for the prosecution. I don't know. Me personally, I'm not a legal expert, but I don't see racketeering or coercion, whatever you want to say, especially when Jane's going off on these parties on her own with other people. You know what I'm saying? I don't see the coercion part. I definitely don't see the racketeering, but I have this feeling that even though I haven't personally seen it, that they're still going to get Diddy on these allegations. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Hey, that's my video for today. If you guys are new to the channel and you made it this far, go down and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. That way YouTube notifies you every time I drop a new video. And you guys, make sure you smash that like button and drop a quick comment. That helps the video get into the YouTube algorithm. It's all free for you guys to do, and it all helps the video and the channel immensely. I appreciate you guys in advance. It's your boy King Charm. I'm out of here. Peace. This video is brought to you by Burbank